Hey, this is Newsworthy. Fatter wallet, bigger net worth. And I want to ask you this question. Why is marijuana going up in smoke right here in 2021? Well, guess what? We now have some 14 to 15 states that are recreationally legal for marijuana, even states like New Jersey, which now has gambling and marijuana. What fun that would be. And now we have some 35 states that are medically approved for marijuana as well. So some people believe that the Biden administration, they are going to nationalize marijuana over the next 2 years. We don't know if that's going to happen. And this is not financial advice, but what it does tell you is the trends are happening every year with 3 or 4 or 5 states becoming recreationally legal. And whether or not the government says that this is nationalized, eventually we may tell the story ourselves. This is not just somebody smoking a joint in their room. It's actually big business that's getting bigger. It's something you might want to consider if your portfolio doesn't want to go up in smoke.